In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can change your resolution in DaVinci Resolve 20. I have my project here, and the first way you can change your resolution settings is by going to this cogwheel here at the right, clicking it, and then here you can choose which resolution you want to use. You can even choose you want to have a custom resolution. If you want to have a vertical, you just take this use vertical resolution here, and then it will become a vertical resolution as you can see here at the top. Let me first cancel this, because you can use multiple resolutions in the same project. So first I'm going to duplicate this timeline by right-clicking it and then choosing to duplicate and then double-clicking the name here. I'm going to change it and let's name it vertical. Now I'm working in timeline vertical and I have timeline 1. Let's keep timeline 1 as it is, and then going to timeline vertical. If I now right-click this one and I go to timelines and then choose timeline settings, here I can say I want to have it vertical, but I first have to deselect the use project settings to do so. And then I can select this use vertical resolution. If I then press OK, I now have a vertical resolution for my timeline vertical. And I can choose to go back to my timeline 1 here on top. And that's still the same resolution as it was before. Also, you can change this by going to this project settings and then change the resolution you want to have. As you can see, you can still do all those things. But those are two easy ways you can change your project settings, your resolution settings in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.